principles:
Hello boys, it's been a
capability
while since we have
management
recorded
and value
this
creation.
setting.
Capability
It is light,
management
it is
involves
clear,
developing
and
talent,
yeah, let's
your
start.
talent,
You can take
optimizing.
this first. It is a book's orientation right now because the class is about to start. Actually, it started, yeah, this week is the start of the class. But for us, that is on our last year, it is not. It is for the OGT next week. So I might stop recording video, but I will continue this CSS for the remaining, or for the for the uh, for the span of my OGT. Alright, it is recording. Sorry, I stopped. Alright, let's start. In this one, we can create one circle and copy that one circle to create the remaining 8 circles. But before that, we can create this square first. Okay. So we have here already a red-orange square. We can put this on the center. Position absolute. Margin auto. Inset 0. Change its color to this more on orange. Then its size. So we can remove the height and turn it into aspect ratio 1:1 because we are dealing with square. That's fine. 180, 60. Yeah, from here we can just adjust based on the Tansha estimate. Yeah, estimate the size. So 60. Name this element square. So if that is square, then it should be square up here on the HTML. Alright, the second element is the circle. Circles, because there are many of them with S. Okay, copy the square so that we don't have to write these brackets. And other part, we can reuse this actually. So name this, copy the circles, paste here. What do we do first? The circle has a color of blue. Okay, so let's change that first. Then what else? Circles. It has a color of blue, but it's not showing. Why is that? Oh, because it is declared first. Alright. The circles must be in front of the square. Okay? It is not supposed to be on the back. It's supposed to be on the front. And then reduce the size, obviously. Little 3D. Well, let's see about this. Then apply a border radius for a rounded corner on the sides 50%. Okay, how about this? Is it fine? Yeah, perfect. Now from here on the center, let's create a box shadow as a copy for the top, bottom, left, and right. In simple words, we can just copy circles from the original one. Shadow. So first we're gonna do is the top left corner. So negative 50. This is just an estimated values as an offset. So negative 50 pixel to the left, and to the top is negative 50 pixel also. 0 as a blur effect, and The color is this background color blue. Yeah, that's it. That's right. Okay, we can adjust from here. 75. It's too much. 75 is too much. 70. Nope. 60. Okay, 60. So 60 as well on the horizontal. Alright, how about this? Yeah, that's about the size, the position. Okay, now on the middle top, middle top, whatever you call it, copy this top left and make the horizontal offset 0, right? Comma, copy again, remove the comma. Here, this is positive to push the circle to the right. Alright. Next is the middle left. So, comma, copy this, paste. You can just probably here estimate. So here 0 and negative. Okay. Yeah, you get the pattern now. This is positive 60 because you already see that. And we can just copy the first 3 to the top. Hit like that and invert their vertical offset to from negative to positive. Okay. And for the last part, we can set the background color by saying body, curly brackets, curly braces. Brackets are those squares. Braces are those curly shape of. So background, back G, this blue, and submit. 100% for sure. Okay, 100%. That's what I said.